To think that you can go in and you can have a facelift and a tummy tuck and breast surgery at the same time, that is unrealistic.
First on Fox 6 News at 9, a nip here, a tuck there, but people aren't doing it everywhere. Local doctors say not everyone going to the extremes you see on reality TV. Thanks for being with us tonight. I'm Steve Crocker.
And I'm Andrea Lindenberg. First on Fox, as you just saw on The Swan, through the magic of reality television, ordinary women turned beautiful, glamorous through plastic surgery.
But are shows like this prompting ordinary Americans to go under the knife to improve their appearances? Fox 6 News reporter Devin Walsh joins us in the studio with more. Devin?
Well, Steve and Anna, you would think that shows like The Swan would have people rushing to the plastic surgeon's office because the women on these shows see a huge improvement in their appearances after surgery. But UAB doctors say people aren't flooding into their offices for extreme makeovers.
Dr. John Anastasatos performs plastic surgery on a number of patients per year, but he says none of those patients want a total body makeover. Most want one procedure, such as a nose job, liposuction, or breast augmentation. He adds most plastic surgeons would not perform those procedures all at once.
To think that you can go in and you can have a facelift and a tummy tuck and breast surgery at the same time, that is unrealistic.
Dr. Anastasatos points out that extreme makeovers like the ones you see on The Swan are too dangerous.
People get the perception that they can have everything at once, and that is a false perception.
I think overall, most people don't want to undergo an extreme makeover. They just want to do a few small things.
UAB dermatologist Sarah Boy says certain small procedures are highly requested and were popular before shows like The Swan hit the airwaves. She believes The Swan simply shows how readily available these procedures are. Two popular ones, Botox and Restylane injections. Both make patients look younger. Botox paralyzes the muscles that cause wrinkles. Restylane is a substance that fills in wrinkles.
Using Restylane and Botox alone, I think that provides just enough change to make people feel rejuvenated.
So while shows like The Swan bring beauty to the forefront, doctors say moderation is the key.
The idea that miraculously you can change your whole physical image and your whole persona, that's unrealistic.
Dr. Anastasatos and Dr. Boyce agree that most people who have procedures done, well, they probably wanted to change one of their features that they didn't like before shows like The Swan started airing. It wasn't The Swan that made them decide to have that procedure. Ani?